Justin Bieber is a Canadian pop singer, songwriter, dancer, and entertainer. He is one of the most famous and awarded music stars of his generation. At just 26 years old, Justin is already one of the wealthiest musicians on earth, with a staggering net worth of $285 million. Justin has been making money off his music ever since he was discovered on YouTube and first stole the hearts of millions of believers. Over the years, JB has sold tons of millions of albums and gone on a bunch of tours. Now that he's all grown up and married, Justin's life is definitely something out of a dream, and he's got the bank account to show for it. To give you an idea of just how loaded he is, he bought his wife Hailey Baldwin a $600,000 engagement ring, and they are currently living in a $5 million farmhouse. While Justin has a bunch of different streams of income, music is one of his biggest money makers. His latest album Changes was released on Valentine's Day in 2020, and Justin is going on the Changes tour starting in May 2021 and will be performing all over North America. This tour will most likely feature exclusive merch that will bring in extra cash as well. To date, the baby singer has been on 3 world tours, and yes, they have all done exceptionally well. His first tour, My World, which ran from 2010 to 2011, grossed $53.3 million. His tour in 2012 also raked in a massive $69.9 million. His last and most current tour, the Purpose World Tour, supported his third album by the same name and raked in a whopping $69.9 million. His last and most current tour, the Purpose World Tour, backed his first studio album Purpose, and through all of its dates, garnered over $250 million. The Biebs had also made huge sums of money from his documentaries, with 2011's Never Say Never documentary raking in a mind-boggling $73 million, making it the most successful concert film of all time domestically. His second documentary, Believe, didn't do well as well, but still brought in millions. No word yet on whether his Changes tour will have a documentary of its own, but if his past documentaries are any indication, having one of this tour will be a huge money move. Justin also has a new docu-series with YouTube called Justin Bieber Seasons. This docu-series chronicles the past 4 controversial years of the singer's life, and it cost YouTube $20 million to make, according to Forbes, with the first episode reaching over 32 million viewers. Not to mention that Justin's YouTube channel is monetized, with over 51 million subscribers and over 20 billion views. Justin is more than just a musician, and his other projects also bring in wholesome amounts. Between 2011 and 2014, Justin Bieber launched 4 fragrances. His first one was called Someday and made millions in sales at Macy's. Justin also has a clothing line. In 2019, Justin dropped the debut collection for House of Drew, a unisex clothing line. You may even have seen Justin and his wife Hailey photographed in some of the pieces from this collection. Justin's also into hygiene. He's recently released a vegan, cruelty-free and plant-based deodorant with Schmidt's Naturals. The deodorant called Here Plus Now is meant to emphasize Justin's commitment to mental health advocacy. Bieber also has a ton of sponsorships and endorsement deals under his belt. Over the years, Justin has worked as a brand ambassador for many brands, including Proactive, Nicole by OPI, Beats by Dre, and many more. Who can forget Justin's ad for Calvin Klein in 2015? They were a believer's dream turned reality. And in 2019, Justin teamed up with his wife Hailey for more steamy ads. All of Justin's projects make him a really rich man, like rich enough to buy several private islands if he wanted to. So now that you know all of Justin's income sources and how he makes his millions, it's time to know how Bieber spent his millions. Bieber lives the typical life of a successful pop star. From expensive cars to luxury mansions to owning private jets and helicopters, Justin has got them all. Justin owns a $10.8 million mega mansion in Los Angeles. The house is built in 3 stories and boasts 5 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and 2 kitchens. The property comes with an exclusively designed gourmet kitchen, bar area, private theater, personal gym, a massage room, and a stunning infinity pool. Apart from his LA mansion, Justin Bieber also owns a luxury condo in New York. This bachelor's pad was gifted to him by his grandmother for his 18th birthday. At $1.7 million, The house is not the priciest, but still a luxury for a 26-year-old. The house is spread in the area of 2,400 square foot and boasts 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This bachelor's part also has a built-in wet bar with wine fridge. Justin Bieber has also closed a deal in which he bought a 1.28-acre Hacienda-style home in Calabasas, California, worth $6.5 million. Featuring a hacienda style, the beautiful home includes 6 comfy bedrooms, 7 exotic bathrooms, a well-equipped spacious kitchen, a mammoth living room, and 2 separate garages. The pop sensation also owns some of the most luxurious cars. Some of the most notable cars in his crazy collection includes a Porsche Turbo 1997, a Ferrari 430, a Lamborghini Gallardo worth $200,000, a Range Rover Vogue worth $80,000, a Fisker Karma hybrid car, a Cadillac CT-SV couple, a Ferrari 458 Italia, a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van, and a metallic black Range Rover SUV. He also owns a Rolls-Royce and a Bentley. Justin Bieber also spends hefty sums on holidays and romantic hideouts. Some of his favorite holiday destinations include St. Lucia, the Bahamas, Florida, and the Marine Fans. Justin has also partnered with many charitable organizations, including New Look Foundation, Red Cross, Jumpstart, Gentle Band Foundation, and Children's Miracle Network hospitals. Although he doesn't appear to own a private plane, Justin is often spotted jetting out of town on a chartered private jet that costs him approximately $1,000 to $5,000 per flight hour. So this is the incredible lifestyle of Justin Bieber and his income sources. Are you a fan of Justin Bieber? What about him do you love the most? Don't forget to share your thoughts on the comment section below. Also, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe if you are new here. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you in the next.